folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a new banjo uke for myself. The last one I built was about 3 years ago, and I sold it this spring at music camp, so it's time to make a new one for me because I've got gigs this summer. This one's got a slightly different feature package that I'm really enjoying, and it's kind of a prototype for maybe offering this to other folks instead of the other way I make banjo ukes. So we'll see. I don't really know what to call it or anything, but I just thought it would be fun. So to begin with, instead of a block rim, I used a thin laminated maple rim, and then I veneered it with koa, and then my rope binding to decorate it. So it's all maple and koa. And you know, this kind of rim and this kind of situation, everything about this, I'm kind of modeling it after some of the California-made banjo ukes from the late teens. They often had some of these features. And then we've got a maple neck with koa stripe. Kind of our early Hawaiian headstock shape, and then more koa with rope binding. So it's all koa, maple, and rope. You got a goat skin head, brass hardware, got a pickup in it. So yeah, with the thinner maple rims, it's kind of got a lighter weight, more chirpy sound, maybe a little more vintage sounding than my block rim ones. And yeah, I don't know whether to call this a Kingdom Era banjo uke or not, like, because the decorative features are a lot like that line of instruments I make. But anyway, if you want one like this, hit me up. I'd probably do another one like this. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this one's for me. It's number 971. Ready for some gigs this summer. Cheers.